In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split one photo into a 4-page poster in Canva. We'll start inside Canva by creating the space where everything will live. Click. Create a design, then choose Custom Size. Type in the size you want for your poster design, select your units, and confirm by clicking Create New Design. Picking a size that matches your intended print or display helps everything line up cleanly later, so choose carefully. If your poster is tall, set it up in a vertical orientation. If it's wide, go horizontal. Next, bring your photo into Canva. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your image. A high-resolution photo works best because we'll be enlarging sections of it, and you want each piece to look crisp when printed. Add the image to the canvas by clicking it once. It will drop onto the page. Now resize it so it completely fills the entire page edge to edge. Drag from the corners to keep it proportional, and let Canva's snapping guides help you align to the edges so there's no unintended white border. Now duplicate the image and fix it so every copy is perfectly aligned. The easiest way to do this is to duplicate the page so the photo sits in the exact same position on each page. Create as many duplicates as you need for your layout. 4 pages for a classic 2x2 poster. The key is that the image doesn't shift between pages. Keeping it locked in place ensures each cropped piece will fit together seamlessly. Time to crop each piece. On the first page, click the image, then click Crop in the top toolbar. Drag the crop box so it shows only the top left section of your photo. Confirm the crop. Move to the next page and repeat, this time cropping to the top right. Do the same for the bottom left and bottom right on the remaining pages. Take your time to align the crop box carefully. Aim to split the image at halfway points so edges meet precisely. Zooming in while cropping can help you place the boundaries more accurately. When everything looks right, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose your file type. PNG works well for general use, while PDF print is ideal for high-quality printing. Make sure all pages is selected so you get every section. Then click Download, and that's it. You now have perfectly tiled pieces of your photo ready to print and assemble into a larger poster.